Great, good day everyone. You're welcome to class. So, different people have asked me how I used to do my mockup. All right. So I'm going to show it to you using the CapCut. Although I used to do it with KineMaster, yeah, that's before, but right now I use CapCut more often. All right. So let's get started. So tap on the KineMaster. So you can make sure your data connection is on because if you are trying to edit something in KineMaster, you are doing some editing, it might require you to on your data. But now it's standing, you can see go ahead. So you tap on the new project. Before that, let me even show you uh what I mean by the kind of the editing I'm talking about. So let me tap on this right now. No, not this. Come on. So let me tap on a video for you to see. You can see all this mockup video.
So good day everyone.
You can see
Class. Now after you
all this type of video. This is what I'm talking about. How I put it inside mockup. So the first thing you need to do is you tap on KineMaster CapCut folder like this. Then you select the main background. The main background you are selecting is picture, not image. Alright, it is picture, and I think I have it in my download. Just go and search a background. It's just a kind of background. So you can see this background. So you select it. Now what's left now is it depends on the kind of aspect ratio you want to use, but the default aspect ratio it shows is 16:9. Now if it is portrait, you can easily come to, oh, let me on this cursor. Yeah, cool. If it is portrait, you can easily come to Canva. Where is this Canva? You just come to the Canva to resize it. Okay, no, not this. Where is this Canva? Okay, yeah, just I tap on this thing already, so that's why it's not showing, but I need to untap it. So then you can see this ratio. You tap on it, you choose the one you want. So we want 9:16, which is a portrait. All right, so you can now this one, you can now do what, you can now zoom it, you can now zoom this, you can now zoom and rotate it. Let's say, let me rotate it like this. So you rotate it and you zoom it, make sure it cover the entire screen. All right, cool. So then after that, then you download the video mockup. Just go to image set and download the video, a phone mockup, phone image. So you just tap on this overlay, right? Then you add this, what you add layer. So it is also a picture. This is a kind of phone. You remove the background. So I think this one the background has been removed already. So you just zoom it, depending on how you want the size to be. But I just prefer for it to be big so that people can easily see what is on the screen. So you can actually edit something, put something, maybe your name here at this side or the other side. So any of the way. So but that should depend on the size of this picture, the phone image. Let's say this is how I want it to be. So now after you have done that, now you click on the overlay again. You add the video you want to add. Let me come to screen capture. Let's say one of the video I did, one of the video, or let me choose
once you confirm you log into this.
okay, no, let me use this
So
one.
welcome. So here is
Let me use which one am I using right now. All right, so let me just use it as a sample. Right, so you add it. After you add it, you just zoom it. Now you zoom it now, or if I zoom it like this, it might not be fit perfectly. So if it's not going to fit perfectly, come to editing, come tap on the video. We see on the video the cursor, you see on the video, you see how it is being highlighted. You come to the what's it called, edit, then you just crop it a part like this. Yeah, I think that should be enough. So you drag it here. Should make sure it's size what exactly it is here. Cool, I think this is awesome like this. Now after that, what just tap on it right now. Oh, come on. You can click on, let me see, let's see blending. No, this blend is not going to work. All right, it's not going to work. So blending normal. So come to the layer, this layer right now. So you just take this one to the first layer, then it will be just like you sent it back. All right, so you can see you just tap on whatever you want to add the layer. That means we have the background, which is this background here. Come on, which is this background. Then after the background, then we have the phone mockup. That's the first layer. The phone mockup is the first layer. Now this video we added the second layer. Now you now take the video from the second layer to the first layer. All right, so you can see it's like you just put it inside the screen. So now let's see. You can see it right now. So this is so amazing. So once you are done with that, you can now decide to say, okay, or maybe you are the one creating the tutorial. You can just decided to add your name or Abdurrahman to your life. So you come to the font. So let me on my data. So you come to the font, you choose your preferred font. I don't want this to be so long. Let me just choose this. Let me choose this. So you come to the text side, so you add the color. Okay, cool. So you can decide to say you want to add the text. So you just do all those stuff, you know. So let's say I want to bend it, or you add the topic of the video you are creating, so and so on and so forth like that. So just to make everything short and snappy. All right, so then once you are done, let's say you want to add a kind of background music to it, come to your audio, come to your sound, then you add the kind of audio you want. Let's say I used to let's say you extract the audio you extract from video. I used to make use of this a lot. So let me just trim this side, then boom. Then you can just reduce the volume of the audio you add, so that I can cover this thing. All right, so and if there is noise in your video, you just have to extend this, extend everything. Just keep dragging it. It is just a picture. Just extend everything. Let me say the second one as well. Overlay. Come to the font, something. You extend everything. Then once you are done, just trim everything. All right. Okay. Let's say for this video now, this is where it ends. Let me reduce this. I'm going to extend so to where the video ends. Just keep dragging it. So this is where it ends. I just want to show you how to trim it. So look at the overlay, the second overlay smartphone. Where is it now? So small. So you just do the same thing. Once you just do one mockup, you just keep using it for all your video. All what you just have to do, maybe you want to replace your video. Come on. Okay, so also the text as well. So you just drag it like this. You can give it an animation as you like. If you don't like, just any of the two. Right, then once you are done, you just trim everything. Let's say this is where the video ends. Just put it at the end of this video like this. Then you trim the rest, slit, then delete, then split, then do what? Then delete, then the background, the audio as well. The audio, then split it here, delete it. Then after that, make sure you delete the camera star watermark at the back at the end. All right, so yeah, I think that's all. Okay, let me just increase it a little. So this way it ends. After you are done, just do what? Save your video. All right, after you save your video, then you can use one thing is that if you are saving your video, make sure your screen doesn't lock. So that once you are done, you just compress your video. So I'm going to show it to you. Let me pause it. Okay, so it is done rendering. So what's next is to compress your video. All right, so let me just go to my player and show how I used to edit mine. So instead of adding your name, or you can also, apart from adding, you can add some other some other important things. Let me just give you an example. Okay, now look at this.
Alright, so good day everyone.
Look at come on. Uh,
Alright, so good day
Look
everyone.
at this one.
Alright, so good day everyone. You are welcome to class. You're get the voice.
You can see it. You can see I use my this one to be very good. So just your choice. You can see you can add the topic at the top. Just anyhow you like it. So the next thing is to compress your video. So come to this app, which is Video Panda app. I used to freeze all my apps. So because of the space, this is the video. Right, just click on. I normally use this large, so it's not going to reduce the quality at all. It is not going to reduce the quality. Then you start from one description, just save your video, boom, that's all. Right. So have a nice day. So that's how you edit your video. If you have any question, just let me know. So you're great. One more thing I forgot to add is this cover right here. This cover. So it's very useful in this thing. So that cover is maybe in your player or you post a video somewhere. That's the first thing they will see. And so the first thing is to tap on the area you want it. You want, let's say I want this area, right? Let me come to the beginning. Let's say there is somewhere I want. If you are also editing a video, this is also helpful. This is also very helpful, right? So let's say I want to use this, right? I want to use this. Let me on my data. So let's say I want to use it. Now the text. So you can also add text to it. So to name it, let's say uh, how to how to to do a phone mock up mock up or how to make a phone mock up just anyhow. Alright, so then you change the text. You change the font if you want to change it. So you come to the color. Let's say you want to do a kind of highlight. Let's say a phone mockup. You want to highlight phone mockup. Just tap on it like this. Come on. Then you click on edit style. So you can now add, let's say you want to make it wide. So just a kind of edit thing. So if you make this is also very good. So now whenever they want to play the video, this is the first thing they will see right here. So that mockup is also important as well. So that's that.